Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadinda Al-Qurani Sudirman. In this video, I will answer the question in assignment 5 about understanding phonology. My answer in number 1, in my opinion, both definitions are clear enough. However, I find definition B easier to understand because it directly explains the main idea of phonology, how sounds are structured and used to form meaningful communication. Definition A is more academic than definition B because definition B is more straightforward and suitable for beginners in linguistics. Number 2, according to online dictionaries, phonology is the science of speech sounds, including especially the history and theory of sounds, change in the language or in two or more related language. And according to linguists, according to Crane L.B., Yeager E. and Whitman R. L. 1981, phonology is the study of how speech sounds are organized, how they function in language. Number 3, it means the way the sounds of a language are arranged and work together to create meaningful words. Number 4, there are two types of sounds patterns. The first, contrastive. Contrastive sound patterns refer to difference in sound that can change the meaning of a word when one sound is replaced by another. In other words, if two sounds are contrastive, substituting one for the other results in a different word with a different meaning. While non-contrastive sound patterns are so different that don't affect the meaning of a word, even if the pronunciation of a sound slightly change, the word still carries the same meaning. Number 5, minimal pairs are pairs of words that have the same number of phonemes but differ in only one phoneme and have different meanings. According to Crane, L.B. Yeager, E.N. Whitman et al., minimal pairs can be identified by three main characters. The first, they contain the same number of segments or letters or sounds. 2, they differ in only one segment. And last, they have different meanings. For example, the words spin and sin are minimal pairs because they both have three segments, differ only in the first sounds P and S, and have different meanings. The word pin means a small piece of metal used for fastening, while sin means an action that breaks the laws of Allah, of God. And number 6, there are two types of minimal pairs that can be recognized based on two different perspectives. The first perspective is from the segmental sounds perspective. Consonant, minimal pairs differ only in one consonant sound. For example, by and pie. It's B versus P, and vein and vein. F versus V. And for vowel, minimal pairs differ only in one vowel sound. Example, sit and sit, or wait and wait. And for the second, from the phonemic position perspective, minimal pairs are classified based on where the difference occurs in the word, in initial, in the medial, or at the final. In initial minimal pairs, for example, face and past. In medial minimal pairs, for example, paper and paper. And for the last final minimal pairs, bag and bag. Okay, in summary, minimal pairs can be recognized in two main types based on the kind of sounds that differ, consonant or vowel, and the position of the different sound, initial, medial, or final. This This condition help learners understand how small sounds change can affect the meaning of word in English. Okay, thank you very much for your nice attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.